Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Peter back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I really do appreciate it. I hope everyone is having a great evening. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Today, I just want to watch the PS5 Teardown with you guys. Just a up close look at what is inside the big PS5 box and the hardware itself. I've seen all the love, I've seen all the hate all over online. I've seen the memes as well. I will get into my personal impressions and thoughts of what's inside the box and the way it's designed and why it's so big. So, anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this teardown video now. Okay, like the fact that they're giving us a heads up. PlayStation 5 teardown. All right.
PlayStation 5です。サイズは幅 104mm、高さ 390mm、奥行き 260mm と PS4 より一回り大きくすることにより、処理能力や静音性の面で飛躍的な性能向上を実現しました。
That's a big box.
外側には USB Type-C ポートとハイスピード USB 対応の Type-A ポート。
Type-C USB-A port. Okay.
裏側にはスーパースピード USB 対応の Type-A ポートを2つ、LAN ポート、HDMI ポート、電源端子を搭載しています。
As expected.
フロント側の2列が吸気口です。リア側はすべて排気口になります。ベースを外します。
It's a stand.
この時はコインネジで固定されています。外したネジはスタンドの中に収納できます。そしてこのキャップを固定しておきます。
So it looks like you need a screw, huh?
ベースを回転させてください。このマークに合わせてベースを差し込んでください。
Okay, so that's how it looks like it's when it's horizontal.
両側の白いパネルはお客様自身で取り外しが可能です。後ろの角を持ち上げてスライドすると外せます。
Oh, wow. Swappable plates, I'm assuming.
こちらも後ろの角を持ち上げてスライドします。ここに冷却用のファンが内蔵されています。
Looks like the fan.
両側から大量の空気を吸い込みます。PS5 では2箇所にダストキャッチャーを設けました。ダストキャッチャーに溜まったホコリはこの2箇所の穴から掃除機で吸い出すことが可能です。
Okay.
将来の拡張ストレージ用として PCIe 4.0 に対応した M.2 インターフェースを搭載しています。
Okay.
ここから PlayStation 5を分解していきます。
The Sony manufacturer warranty. Uh-oh. Broken seal now. ファンを取り外します。 Yeah, I won't be tearing mine down.
直径 120mm、厚さ 45mm の両面吸気の大型ファンを搭載しています。
Cooling fan right there. Okay.
ケースを外します。
Oh, I see a heat sink in there.
ウルトラ HD ブルーレイのドライブユニットです。
Okay, 4K Blu-ray player.
ドライブユニットは板金ケースで完全に覆い、さらに二重のインシュレーターでマウントすることにより、ディスク回電時の駆動音と振動も低減させています。
Nice.
次に Wi-Fi 6と Bluetooth 5.1 の アンテナにつながるケーブルを外します。
Wi-Fi 6, alright.
シールド板を外します。
Come on, guys, get the board. There we go. Now we're getting to the good stuff.
CPU は8コア16スレッドで
There's a Ryzen
最大
Zen 2.
3.5GHz で駆動します。
Okay.
GPU は最大 2.23GHz
There it is. RDNA 2.
10.3 TFLOPS を実現します。
It's official. Okay.
メモリーは GDDR6 を8個搭載し、バンド幅は最大で毎秒 448GB です。
16 gigs of GDDR6, as expected. Nice.
ストレージは HDD に代わり 825GB の SSD をオンボー
There
ド
it
で実装
is.
しています。
The custom SSD
カスタムの SSD コントローラー
and the custom SSD controller. There's the secret sauce. There's a super fast SSD right there, guys.
ゲームのロード時間を大幅に短縮しています。 PS5 の SoC は小型の台を非常に高いクロックで動作させています。このためシリコン台の熱密度が非常に高くなり、
Cannot wait to use that SSD.
TIM と呼ばれる熱伝導材の大幅な性能アップが必要でした。 PS5 では長期で安定した高い冷却性能を実現するため、この TIM に液体金属を採用しました。我々は2年以上前からこの液体金属を採用
Oh
するための
shit,
準備をしてきま
liquid
した。
metal. So the rumors
考
were
えよ
true.
りありとあらゆる試験を実施し、採用に至っています。
It's the first time I've seen that in a console ever, I guess.
これが PS5 のヒートシンクです。
No vapor chamber? That's a heat sink? Okay.
PS3 や PS4 と同じくヒートパイプを使っていますが、形状やエアフローの工夫によりベーパーチャンバーと同等の性能を実現しました。
Nice. Hopefully the fan doesn't sound like a jet engine. Or ready to take off like the
これが
PS4.
定格 350W の電源ユニットです。 これ
Wow.
が PlayStation 5の全部品です。
Wow, that's a lot of good stuff in there. So definitely a lot of good stuff in there. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely wanted to say it's a big boy. It's gonna be a big console, guys. A lot of good stuff in there. Me personally, as far as it being big, it is a big boy, but I don't really care how big the size is because long as it's whisper quiet to me, and long as it doesn't sound like a jet engine ready to take off like the base PS4 and the PS4 Pro sounded like, I'm perfectly fine with it being big. The Xbox One, original Xbox One, looked like a VCR. It was big, it was fat, but it ran whisper quiet. And I don't care how the size of the console, because as long as if I'm able to play my games and if it's running quiet and smooth, and it's not sounding like a big like a big jet engine ready to take off, I'm perfectly fine with that. The 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 Xbox Series X is going to have the same exact thing. The full RDNA 2 chip, there's rumors about being RDNA 1. No, they made that clear now. It's RDNA 2. Same thing as the Series X. The liquid metal cooling thing, that the liquid metal inside the console, that's pretty freaking cool to me. Obviously, that's probably never been. We haven't seen any of that in any consoles currently or in the past. So I think just to kind of make sure that they don't have any hardware failure rates or any type of spike of hardware failure in the chips, I think that's definitely a great addition to have. There's been talks. There's been saying that there's been people saying that it's not good for a console, but I feel like the heatsink with the cooling fan integrated in the console, that's why that's why the box is so big. I think it will stay cool, and I think those chips obviously will get hot, but they will. console will operate cool, is what I'm saying. So it's a lot to it's kind of what I expected Sony to do, because when they first unveiled the actual console itself, we all knew it was going to be a big box from the looks of it, and Mark Cerny fulfilled his promise. He did promise a teardown video, and after looking at this teardown video, it looks the the hardware is very capable. I mean, I'll say this, as I said this with the Series X. These two consoles are going to be, as far as in terms of frame rates, resolution, SSD speeds, these two consoles are going to be the most balanced consoles ever for in gaming history. And with their both of their I/O output and the throughput, it's just going to be insane. It's going to be great as developers get familiar with the hardware and utilize it to its full potential. It's going to be freaking great, man. I can't wait to see what Sony's first party studios do with this piece of hardware. I've heard about the load times. They all sound freaking great and revolutionary to me. I heard on Twitter that I guess the game of NBA 2K21 loaded in 2 seconds. Like, wow. And that's a third party game. A game loaded in 2 seconds with that custom SSD, man. I can't wait to get my hands on it. I'm freaking excited for this, man. Uh, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. That's going to be my personal take on it. Don't mind it being the box being big. I can't wait to utilize all those the SSD speed. I can't wait to see how the games are going to look in a higher resolution and higher frames. I do think that most games should be 4K 60. That should be the default. 120 frames, you might have to be it probably will be a dynamic resolution, but that's fine. If you higher frames, the better for certain games like Call of Duty or any fast-paced type of games. And I'm excited. Man, we're 5 weeks away from launch of the PS5. I can't wait. I'm excited to get my hands on this console. Excited to get my hands on day one launch titles that I plan on getting. Is Miles Morales, Godfall, NBA 2K21, and Demon Souls. I want to get, but I think I'm gonna wait because I just really want to play Miles Morales first. But Demon Souls is definitely on the list. I will be definitely picking that up eventually. But November, it's gonna be a great time to be a gamer, guys. It's gonna be a great time. Let me know what you guys think of this hardware teardown video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe, share with friends, family members. It would really help out the channel. It would really mean a lot to me as well, guys. That's gonna do it for me. I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, we are 5 weeks away from launch. Get excited, guys. Get excited. Uh, be ready for the next generation to start. All right, guys. Have a great night. Take care. God bless. And keep pushing forward, guys. I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace.